Minister of Consumer Affairs, and my colleague in Central Cabinet, Sri Prahlad Joshi, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, Sri D.K. Shivakumar ji, Sri M.B. Patil, Minister of Large and Medium Industries, Government of Karnataka, Sri Yash Darshanapur, Minister of Small Scale Industries and Public Enterprises, Government of Karnataka, all honorable dignitaries, officers from Government of Karnataka, Government of India, CEOs, CMDs of Indian and foreign industries, young entrepreneurs, business leaders, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen. When I came to Bengaluru on Saturday, I came to know about Siddharamaiah ji, the Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, about his injury. It is good to see him here, and it indicates he is fast recovering from the injury. In politics, keeping your legs safe is very important. In politics, keeping your legs safe is very important. And you have to be very mindful because you will stumbling blocks everywhere. Siddharamaiah ji is a seasoned politician and he has been safely crossing all hurdles on his way. And today he is the Chief Minister of Karnataka, and I am very confident that he will recover quickly from this injury. I wish him speedy recovery. My friends, first and foremost, I express my deepest reverence to the sacred land of Karnataka. This land has been graced by the wisdom and legacy of the great saint poets like Sant Baswanna, Alma Prabhu, Akka Mahadevi, Purandara Das, and Kanak Das. It is always a profound honor and privilege for me to be here. The visionary and dynamic Chief Minister of Karnataka, Sri Siddharamaiah ji, has graciously invited me to this event. We belong to different political parties and we are political opponents. His magnanimous gesture